Did you know, as a product manager, you can actually employ ChatGPT as your product specialist? So for a while now, I've actually been using ChatGPT as my product specialist. I talk to ChatGPT, I give it everything I want. Now you can customize ChatGPT to understand you and work on a product with you on the go. Whenever you have to engage stakeholders, managers, and everybody on certain things, on certain topics, you will be able to convince them. Now, because you have trained ChatGPT over time about your products, ChatGPT would be able to give you insights and ideas on what you have done. This is different from actually asking ChatGPT questions on the go. But now you can now customize it and ask it certain questions. Like for an example, ChatGPT already knows what I do. ChatGPT knows I'm writing a book at the moment. When I open any chat, it does that. This is an update that has just come into ChatGPT. It now works more as a personalized assistant for you. You can engage your customer, engage your stakeholders, and tell them new things. If they want you to convince them as to why you're choosing certain things, you can ask ChatGPT and let ChatGPT know this is why you're doing this and that, and it can help you in the long run as your product specialist. If you're a product manager and you want to learn how to use ChatGPT as your product specialist, check the caption below and follow for more product tips. Bye.